Hello everyone, I'm Sina and I'm very happy to present our paper at this conference today. The title of the article is Quantitative and Qualitative Analysis of Harmony Search Algorithm in Geomechanics and its Application. As you can see, 6 authors contributed to this article. First of all, I want to mention contents of the presentation. The first is introduction. The second is methodology, and then harmony search algorithm, and the next is the review of application of harmony search in all disciplines, and then review of application of harmony search in the geomechanics, and the finally is conclusion. Geomechanics is the science of studying the mechanical behavior of soil and rock. It has two main branches, namely soil mechanics and rock mechanics. The main purpose of this study is to review the applications of the harmony search algorithm in the geomechanics, which is the significant research topic in the engineering and academic sector. For this purpose, the articles of the geomechanics, including the two main disciplines, namely soil mechanics and rock mechanics, are evaluated from 2011 to 2021. Methodology. A literature review plays a key role in assessing the body of the knowledge to identify potential research gaps and highlight their boundaries. Therefore, qualitative and quantitative analyses are present by reviewing all documents and articles related to the branches of geomechanics and harmony search algorithms based on the Web of Science platform in this study. As you can see in the figure 1, in fact, figure 1 is a view of a Web of Science platform. We entered a series of keywords and specified the year, then received their results. In methodology, we conducted two types of the analysis, including quantitative analysis and qualitative analysis. For quantitative analysis, at first we have conducted a quantitative review of the application of the harmony search algorithm in all disciplines. Then we have conducted a quantitative review of the application of harmony search algorithm in the branches of geomechanics. For this purpose, we considered a series of keywords that you can see here. And for qualitative analysis, in this type of analysis, investigation of the places, times, and the context in which events occur and develop to be useful for better understanding of issues. It should be noted that this study was conducted for years from 2011 to 2021 because the harmony search algorithm was introduced in 2001, and we wanted to show that after a decade of introducing the algorithm, how much is the participation of this algorithm in the scientific issue. Therefore, this study will focus on the published documents from the January of 2011 to the August of the 2021. As you know, the harmony search algorithm is one of the most well-known techniques in the field of the soft computing, an important paradigm in the science and engineering community. As you can see, figure 2 shows the flowchart of the harmony search algorithm. After first analysis, according to the data obtained from the Web of Science for a period of 10 years from the January 2011 to August 2021, 1,313 documents were determined. As you can see, the distribution of the number of the publications per year is shown in the figure 3. According to the distribution of the publications in figure 3, it is clear that the most of the number of publications in 2016 was 169 documents. Also, Harmony Search in the title in 2021 had 51 documents in the 7 months since the beginning of the year. Based on this graph, it can be seen that there is an approximate decrease in the number of documents published since 2016, which one of the most important reasons is the introduction of a wide range of the meta-heuristic optimization algorithms and willingness of the researcher to use the new titles in their research during this period. Although the number of published documents has fluctuated over the past 10 years, in the most of these years, more than 100 articles have been published each year that Harmony Search was in their titles, indicating the algorithm place in the field of scientific publishing. After qualitative analysis, the top authors and the number of published papers in the top 10 countries in the field of Harmony Search algorithm were determined, and the results are shown in the table 1 as you can see. The largest number of documents published in this period belonged to the GAM with 52 documents. Also, Al-Bitar, Del-Ser, Gao, Khader, and Bektas were authors with over 20 papers on the top author list. Uh, Among the countries, China ranks the first with the release of the 336 documents, and India and Iran were the next countries in the producing content based on the Harmony Search algorithm with 230 and 186 documents respectively. At the end of the top 10 countries list, Jordan and Mexico with 32 print documents have an equal share with each other in the printing and the documents which were related to Harmony Search algorithm. In the next part, we conducted a review of application of Harmony Search in the geomechanics. As you saw in the previous sections, a preview of place of the Harmony Search in the various disciplines over the past decades was conducted that the results showed the appropriate process of the citation as well as the ability of efficiency of the algorithm in the solving various problems in the different countries of the world. Although the Harmony Search algorithm had a significant share in the many disciplines, in some fields, especially geomechanics, it had a much smaller share. That one of the reasons could be the desire of more geomechanical researchers to solve related problems in this field using classical methods or relatively older algorithms. However, this review has shown that in the recent years, the innovative use of these algorithms in the various branches of geomechanics has led to articles with suitable citations. Therefore, on the one hand, given the wide and variety of applications of geomechanics in many fields such as tunneling, dam construction, drilling, civil engineering, structure, and petroleum engineering and transportation, and on the other hand, appropriate trend of the increasing citation in documents related to Harmony Search algorithm, it can be a good opportunity for researchers in the field of geomechanics to not only use a new and innovative method in their research, but also increase the chance of growing citation. As you can see, we show the results of the review of the top cited papers in the rock mechanics and soil mechanics. The top cited papers in the rock mechanics are Mikhail and his colleagues in 2016, and then again in another study, Mikhail and his colleagues in 2019, and the last is Hassani Panah and his colleagues in 2020. And the top cited papers in the soil mechanics also are with Cheng and his colleagues 2011, and another study with Cheng and his colleagues in 2012, and the last is Bektas and his colleagues 2020. Finally, for conclusion, in this paper, the application of a harmony search algorithm in geomechanics problems from 2011 to 2021 was reviewed. The findings of this review revealed that the papers given in many fields of geomechanics were creative due to their use of harmony search algorithm, and the articles that employed in this algorithm in their analyses obtained considerable citations. Why? The contribution of these documents is minor in comparison to other disciplines that have used the harmony search technique. It is worth noting. As a result, it is recommended that researchers use their harmony search as a powerful and robust tool in the solving various problems in mechanics according to high efficiency of these algorithms. The increasing trend of citations to works related to this algorithm and its significant contribution among the reputational publishers. Thanks to all the participants and audience.